Everything goes in today. Quick prep, that's it. This builds all the flavor. This sauce is the magic. Potatoes go in first. Now sausage and corn. Eggs soak flavor. Now the crab. Almost there. Lobster going in. Let it sit. Now this hits different. We eating family style. That's it. Let's go. Whew, look at that. More sauce. We made this right here. First plate, right here. That's good. Woo, look at that meat. Fresh lemon, always. Look at that yolk. That lobster is perfect. Peels so easy. Juicy every single time. I'll see you next time. Mild or spicy? Follow for more recipes. You can make this too.